Hello everyone, it's Anthony James. So this is a complete house, first and second floor, travertine, and the floor is full of holes, craters, holes, everything is very beat up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do a sample here in one of the bedrooms just to show the customer that we can actually improve the floor and make it look practically brand new again. See that? It's full of holes everywhere. Look at that, everywhere holes, craters. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I already taped off the area. I'm gonna cover the holes that are there, and then I'm gonna do 220, 400, 800, and polishing powder and bring that up to a shine. So these are my diamonds, 220, 400, 800. This is the resin that I'm gonna use, 10X. All right, I'm gonna mix colors, razor blades, gloves to keep my hands nice and purty. So it's very important. This is what I did here. You see this area, how I polished it right here? I polished it because I need to know exactly what color the floor is gonna be when I finish the whole entire floor. So I'm gonna mix everything using this as a guide. All right, so I already got the tone. All I did was add brown to the 10X. And the color is pretty good. You see, it's accurate. And the good thing about this tone is that it has a lot of variation. So it has lighter and darker tones. So I just used the 10X and brown color. So now I'm just gonna add the hardener and then fill in the holes. All right, so I already filled the holes with the resin. There's some areas I gotta refill, but I already did the first fill. And then I have to sand it so that it's flat with the floor. So here I already flattened all the holes and everything looks pretty even. So I'm gonna continue with the diamonds. So we already finished the sample. We covered the holes with a 10X polyester resin. We flattened the holes, used the diamonds, polishing powder, and that's it. Finished the sample. It's completely different. We already sent a picture to the customer. The customer is extremely happy and wants to move forward with the job. Hello everyone, it's Anthony James. You want to buy our products, everything that we use on a video is online. I know you could do it. Buy it online, do it yourself, it's no problem. AJStoneLife.com.